Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. Install Dart SDK, add it to Path, and verify with Dart version. This ensures the runtime is reachable. Open Visual Studio Code and install the Dart extension so you get language features. Once done, create a new project with Dart, create My App, and open that folder in VS Code. This establishes a working workspace and gives you the project structure you need to move forward. Now you focus on development and execution. Edit libs/main. Dart and use the built-in editor features like auto-completion and code actions to save time. Run the app in the integrated terminal with Dart Run and run Dart Analyze to catch static issues early. For deeper inspection, configure launch. JSON so you can set breakpoints and step through code. This helps you understand runtime behavior. Make sure to use hot reload during iterative changes to keep state and iterate faster. To finish your setup and prepare for delivery, add packages to PubSpec. YAML and run Dartpub get so dependencies resolve correctly. Run Dart format to keep code style consistent and Dart test to validate behavior before you commit. If something goes wrong, check that VS Code is using the same Dart SDK as your terminal and verify path and environment variables. Mismatched SDK versions are the typical culprit. Finally, restart VS Code after changes so extensions reload their settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.